All right, let's usher in a year of uncomplicated recipes. So here I'm going to start with a little bit of ultimate salted caramel. At first I was a little bit intimidated by this recipe, but everybody can do this. So I'm going to take a saucepan, and guys, I actually doubled this recipe. So I have a saucepan, I put in a cup of sugar, a little bit of water. All the recipe directions on my blog are instructions. You have to watch this. This is very fickle. Please don't have your kids in the kitchen when you're doing this. So when it becomes this amber color, I took off the stove, and then I put in 2 tablespoons of butter, and I put in a little bit of heavy cream. Remember, this is still very active and volcanic. So please make sure that you're watching this. I'm sprinkling in some sea salt, and I'm still giving it a twirl around this pan, and I'm going to put it here in the bowl. You can put this on about anything: cookies, ice cream. You can eat it in a spoon. Apples, my favorite thing. But this recipe is uncomplicated, so let's have uncomplicated recipes in 2024.